You won't be complaining when you're surrounded by lady ballerinas. What are the big ones? Just because you're a typo is important. You think the rest of the big ones?
Mama! Where are you at? You'll never have to.
You're always there for me.
Oh, you're in here? Okay.
Use an umbrella.
Fallen Love requests craft service. Show me your tongue.
walk this out for love.
Hey! You have to try something. Handcuffs?
Y'all just run it back the other.
Okay. Good. And now we lock the other part around here. Fun. Okay, now try these. Oh, candy!
Oh, go away.
These are so. What are these? Choo-choo peppers. Oh, they're burning them down. I know. Want some water? Yeah. Tell me the secret of the bird scene. I can't. I need water. That's fine. I'm sorry. Water.
What you doing?
Angrily throwing books on my locker. Can't you tell?
Have you figured out how you're gonna decorate it yet?
Yes. Look, I put a stripe on it. Did you see the stripe?
I see the stripe.
Well, I don't know what to do.
Why don't you use something, creative and deep?
What'd you do for yours?
Huh.
Clear?
Transparent. I've got no secrets, and neither does my locker.
But no one is creative and deep.
Yeah.
So, anyway, about the bird scene.
Later.
Hey, Trina, can you help me? It's supposed before we run out of feed.
Man, this is humiliating.
Agreed. I can't believe you guys into this. Skedaddles. Madam McKee,
Oui.
we're gonna have to drop this class.
If you drop this class, then it goes on your permanent record as a zero.
Oh, come on, you can't give us a zero.
Why do you want to drop this class?
Look around, woman. We're surrounded by dudes in tights. It's just gross.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
Girl!
Hey, Robbie. Hi, Rex.
Hey,
What doing?
Did you guys quit ballet?
we can't unless we want a zero.
Aw. Well, I'm sorry you're feeling stressed.
It's okay. I'm sure we can. Would you keep doing that, please?
Sure.
This is getting weird.
Hey, you know what's making me feel stressed?
Tell me, I'll kill it.
It's this whole bird scene thing.
Ah, there it is. The ulterior motive.
Hush, puppet. You help me with the bird scene, won't you?
I'm really not supposed to.
Ow! You bit my hand! Rex!
Take me to the bathroom. I gotta pee now.
He's a puppet! He can't pee!
You don't know what I got.
Hi, class. Which dancers would like to show me the routine you were working on last time?
We would? What? You got this, man. You're a maniac.
Andre, Robbie, to the front.
Don't talk to anyone until I get back.
Position. Begin.
Mostly.
Watch, this is the fun part. They hit themselves and they hit each other in the watch. Oh no. That's why you boys don't take ballet anymore.
Take a 5-minute break.
Please make it 10, 20.
50. An hour.